All that I know is a lot of agents start off in real estate and a lot of agents leave real estate. I don't know statistics, but I know that a lot of agents leave real estate very shortly after they start. But the question is why? I don't think that they realize the amount of work that it comes in to be able to sell and buy real estate with a client. All right. For me, I grind it out. I'm on the phone 2 to 3 hours a day lead generating to build up that pipeline. So over the next couple, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you have a database that you've cultivated to be able to do that. But they walk in, they look at it on HGTV and they're like, oh my gosh, I could show 3 properties and sell a house. It ain't like that. I have a system that I put in play that maybe we could talk about in another video where I would show people 8 to 10 homes, but the front end work was absolutely mind blowing is how much work I had to put in on the front end to be able to show those 8 to 10 properties. All right. So they have inflated expectations as to what the business is supposed to be. You know, a lot of people walk in and they have a glorified version of what this business is supposed to look like. All right. And they think that it's easy. They think you run out, you show a house, you sell a house. It doesn't work that way. There's been buyers that I've shown 37, 52, 75 houses to. All right. When you go on a listing, all you have to do is go there, wave your magical pen, and people sign at a price you want them to sign at. But it doesn't work that way. For every listing that I go on that's a slam dunk, it takes me 9 other ones that I had to fight tooth and nail to get. So if we want to remain in this business, we need to have realistic expectations. Maybe you can make a decent buck in the first year. I'm not going to say that you can't, but you sure as hell better have a year to 2 years in reserves before you start, because otherwise you're going to go broke real quick. Keep in mind, I got lucky. I got very lucky. The first house I ever showed, I sold. It was Anita Lacey in Palatine, Illinois on Knollwood Drive. You'll never forget your first one, right? But after that, I didn't sell another property for almost 6 months.
Are you kidding me?
And it took me, I want to say 2.5 years to get a stable income going. Hell, when I first started, I started full time, and then I had to get a part-time job on the side to be able to afford things. All right. So it's not all it's cracked up to be, but the people that get through it and see it, and the ones that come in and treat this business like a business, are the people that will actually come in and make money.